Boss.
What do you want, Amir?
Today I made $3,000.
Good job, Amir, but I know you can do better.
Can I get a raise, boss?
No, you'll have to work harder if you want a raise.
What the bloody fact, man. I made $3,000. This is my best day so far.
If you manage to do 6,000, I'll think about it, maybe.
No, sir. Give me a raise or I will leave this job. I want 100 rupees a day, sir.
Excuse me, do you know how many people I can hire for 100? Are you crazy?
But sir, without me, you wouldn't have so much money.
And that's why I'm so grateful for your work. But I'm already paying you enough. Be grateful.
Grateful? What a bloody fact, man. I work 11 hours a day and you pay me 1.2 rupees per hour.
It's actually 1.3 rupees per hour.
So bloody what?
What do you mean, so what? You should never forget who gave you the opportunity to make money.
But without me, sir, you would not have all this money.
Stop yapping, Amir. And maybe I'll give you a raise one day. I have people making way more money than you, and they don't complain like you do.
Then there is no problem with me leaving this job.
Fine. Just know you will never find a better job.
Sir, you have to give me a raise. I can't pay the bills and I have to give my e-girl money.
Okay. From now on, I will pay you 20 rupees a day.
Yuppie!
Is this for $2?
$2? I sorry, sir. No matter how much money that is, my boss murder me if I sell it this cheap.
I meant $2 million, you
Oh, sorry, sir. Yes, this car, $2 million.
only.
What the bloody heck you mean only, sir? $2 is already a lot of money and 2 million is million times that.
2 million is nothing. I paid more for my nails yesterday.
Wait, how rich are you, sir?
My dad is a liquid trillionaire.
Liquid trillionaire? Holy shit, sir. I apologize. I make mistake in listing. Price is $200 million.
I spend that every night at the club. I don't want to drive this cheap car.
Plug AI help me out. Plug AI told me to respond with, you're right. A girl as hot as you really shouldn't. You're right. A girl as hot as you really shouldn't.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Wait, sir. Actually, I forget a zero. Price is $2 billion.
I have that money under my pillow.
Oh, wait, sir. I skipped math class at school, so I forgot another zero. Price is $20 billion.
Are you lying to me?
No, trust me, bro.
Okay, let's do it.
Oops, I said wrong again. It actually $40 billion.
That's too much. I can't do that.
How about $49 billion, sir?
Deal.
Boss, I just scammed stupid girl for $49 billion.
Oh my god, really, Amir? How?
Remember that car you tell Franklin to steal last week? I sell it to stupid girl. But because she's so rich, price go up. End price was $49 billion.
Good job, Amir. I'll give you $5 instead of the usual $2 for your hard work.
Yippee!
Hey, scammer. My dad said no car costs $49 billion. Give me a refund now.
Sorry, sir. My boss take all money and only give me $5. I can give you this $5 if you want. I deliver your food, sir.
Wait, what? Is this you, Amir?
Yes, sir. It's me. I deliver your food, sir.
Amir is back, y'all, for real. I thought everyone forgot about you. Are you still built different, Amir?
Not as much as I was.
But I still need you to deliver my food. I'm in the research facility in the Earth's core.
But I'm not built different enough to get down there.
Just look at the comments, Amir. People still love you.
Alright, I'm coming, sir.
Amir, is it normal that the food's taking a bit long?
Sorry, sir. I just had to pass the match.
The what?
The core, sir. The planet core. GPS said fastest route through the mantle, so I found it.
How are you texting me down there?
Elon gave me the Starlink underground premium.
You're literally in lava. How is the bag not burning?
Sir, I wrapped it in aluminum foil. I'm not stupid.
I just wanted a shawarma, man.
And you'll get it hot. Food, sir.
Good luck, Amir. I am in the middle of London. It's full of criminals here. Have fun delivering my food.
No problem, sir.
I will give you an extra £5 if you make it in 20 minutes.
Sir, I am speeding.
What's the speed limit? Are you crazy? Slow down.
No, sir. I need extra 5 pounds.
It's been 10 minutes. Are you close?
Yes, sir. I have reached suburbs. Walking to you.
Walking? You're not gonna make it.
I am built different, sir.
Wait. Why does it say you're in Australia?
I got kidnapped, sir. Sir, I made new friend. Sir, his name is John.
Is that a burglar?
Sir, he has name. It is John.
Damn, that's crazy. You only have 3 minutes left.
No worries, sir. I am flying very fast. Sir, there is another burglar. I give him bite of burger, sir. I made new friend. I call him John too.
No way. Are you here?
I see you, sir. I am here.
No way. I will tip you 3 whole British pounds.
Oh my god, thank you, sir. I deliver your food, sir.
Have fun. I am in the middle of a desert in Arizona. Good luck delivering my food.
No problem, sir.
I'll give you an extra $4 tip if you make it in 15 minutes.
Sir, I speeding.
What's the speed limit? Are you insane? Slow down.
No, sir. I need the extra $4.
10 minutes already passed. Are you close?
Yes, I have reached the desert. Moving to you.
You're not making it.
I am him, sir. The only thing impossible here is being this pretty.
Oh, that's so sweet. Wait. Why does it say you are in Area 51?
I took the wrong turn. Sir, I made a new friend. Let me introduce you. His name is George. I am happy with George.
Is that an alien?
Please, sir. He has a name. It is George.
Oh, I'm sorry. Anyways, you have 3 minutes only.
No worries, sir. I have arrived in your area. Sir, there is big ratty.
Fight it!
No, sir. I have no enemy. I give him bite of pizza.
What?
Look, sir, he happy. I make new rat friend.
No way.
His name is George too.
Oh my god. Are you here?
I see you, sir. I'm here.
No way. I will tip you with $5 whole.
Thank you, sir. I deliver your food, sir.
Good luck, Amir. I'm in space.
No worry, sir. I built different.
Anyways, if you take less than 10 minutes, I'll give you $2 tip.
$2 tip. I am coming to you, sir.
Wait, how?
I am flying. Coming to you, sir.
Bro, what? How do you even breathe?
Come on, sir. I built different. Sir, little problem. Space whale is here. Oh, he wants to steal your food, sir.
Holy, that thing is massive. Fight him.
No, sir. I have no enemies.
Amir, are you okay?
No worries, sir. Whale invited me on date. I call him George 1.
Riz app, help me out of here.
Respond with only if I could be your date.
Only if I could be your date.
No, sir.
Do you want $2 tip or what?
You right, sir. Coming to you. Whale, sir. I arrived. I have your food.
Let's go. Here's your tip, Amir.
OMG. Thank you. Now I can buy Indian mansion. I deliver your food, sir.
Good luck, Amir. I'm in the Amazon forest. It's full of dangerous animals here. Have fun delivering my food.
No problem, sir. I built different.
Yeah. You'll have to go across the deserts and the seas. It will take you days.
Holy yapping of the yapping tongues. Shut up, bro. I coming to you.
Sorry, Lord Amir.
I arrived at Amazon forest, sir.
Bruh, how is this even possible? You took less than 5 minutes.
I told you, sir. I am built different.
No way. If you make it in less than 10 minutes, I will tip you with $101.
$100. Oh my god, sir. This is my biggest tip so far. I be there soon.
Go, Amir. Fast.
Oh no, sir. There is big problem. Crocodile wants to attack me.
Oh my god, how huge is that thing?
Not bigger than my love for you.
Oh my god, Amir, I'm excited now. But you have to run.
No, sir. I have no enemies. I gave him bite of burger. We friends now. I call him Snowflake.
No way.
He is so cute, sir. Do you want to pet him?
Nah, I'm good. Just deliver my food.
Yes, sir.
Amir, where are you?
I am here, sir. I have your food.
Yay! And no tips for you, Amir.
What?